I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Tesla Model S. First, let's get you inside. You can unlock your Model S with a key card or your paired phone. Once inside, notice the large 17-inch touchscreen. It's your command center. To power on, simply press the brake pedal. Then, use the right stalk to select drive or reverse, and you are ready to experience the smooth, quiet acceleration of your Model S. Driving the Model S is intuitive. To engage autopilot for assisted driving, simply pull the right stalk down twice. You will feel the unique sensation of regenerative braking, which slows the car and recharges the battery when you ease off the accelerator. The left stalk manages your turn signals and windshield wipers. Remember, autopilot assists but requires your full attention and hands on the wheel. Charging your Model S is straightforward. The charging port is discreetly located on the left rear side. For quick top-ups on longer journeys, use a Tesla supercharger. At home, you can use a wall connector or mobile connector. Simply plug in, and your vehicle will begin charging. You can easily monitor the charging status and estimated time to completion right on your car's large touchscreen display. Your Model S offers many advanced features. Personalize your driving experience and cabin climate through the touchscreen settings. Tesla regularly provides over-the-air software updates, adding new functionalities and improvements directly to your vehicle. For basic maintenance, remember to check your tire pressure regularly, typically around 42 pounds per square inch, and keep your vehicle clean to maintain its sleek appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.